Okay, I got a Brinks brass padlock here. My brother found it in the park because he works for the parks department. So I told him to watch out for anything laying on the floor that's got a keyhole in it. And this is the first thing he found. So I'm gonna go for it. I heard these things are a bitch. Got a false already. That wasn't good. Give me back my false. No. These are difficult right now. At least I've tried it a couple times and got it once or twice, but this one's tough. There. And there. Those are not nice at all. So, yeah. Didn't have a key with it, so I have no idea what the bitting is. It's a little bit old and rusted up, but I'll clean it up. Probably make a cutaway or something. Ooh, this is a nice one. You can see that on camera even. The pin points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the 6th little thing to where it doesn't turn it backwards. Well, I know right where the pin caps are now. And yeah. I'll probably cut it away like someone else is on their video. Cut a window out here. But at least I know which side the pins are. Well, that was a dumb thing to say, but yeah. At least I know where it is. So that's it. See ya.